भीमातीर्निवासाय पंढरीपुरवासिने पांडुरंग प्रकाशाय विठ्ठलाय नमो नमः। मरुत्पुत्राय कवये भीमाय भयहारिणे श्रीमदानंदतीर्थाय प्रख्याताय नमो नमः। Dear children of God, Jai Sri Krishna, Namaste. It's the 107th day since the nationwide lockdown started. The definition of knowledge according to the Bhagavad Gita continues. Narada Bhakti Sutra advises that virtues like non-violence, truth, purity, kindness, belief in spiritual realities should be cultivated by the devotee. Ahimsa, Satya, Shaucha, Daya, Astikya, Adi Charitrani, Paripalaniyani. The man of devotion has to cultivate these qualities to sustain his devotion. Only such virtues form the foundation for God love. A man of God naturally possesses these qualities. They are basically godly qualities, and God lovers naturally possess them. Sutra 79 says, the man of God has to worship always in every aspect of life the Lord who is the repository of all these qualities. The devotee thus becomes free from all anxiety and worries. Sarvada sarvabhavena nischintaihi bhagavaneva bhajaniyaha. The child Dhruva, alone in the forest, is lost in meditation of the Lord, and the latter manifests himself soon. Sutra 80. Sakirtyamanaha shigrameva avirbhavati anubhavayati bhavan. When his glory is sung with full-throated ease, the Lord manifests himself quickly and makes the devotee realize the divine experience. Akhandanji Maharaj writes, just before Shri Krishna's birth in the Bhagavatam, when the katha is going on, let us all in the audience fold our hands and call out, Prabho, Avirbhava, 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 Avirbhava. Whenever I ask my audience in the public place to do this, you should see it to believe it. In the serenity of the katha, there is a sudden silence. Then there is a chorus of my audience asking Krishna to manifest himself. One almost feels one is in the prison house along with Devaki and Vasudeva, and the great Lord is descending into our midst with his resplendent four-armed form, Tamadbhutam Balakam Ambujekshanam Chaturbhujam Shankagadarayudayudam Srivatsalakshmam Gadashobi Kaustubham Pitambaram Sandrapayoda Saubhagam Maharha Vaidurya Kirita Kundalatvisha Parishvakta Sahasra Kuntalam Uddama Kanchangada Kankanadivihi Virochamanam Vasudeva Ikshata. There is nothing greater than loving the Lord. The eternal truth is the greatest. Bhakti, God love, is the greatest. Trisatyasya bhaktireva gariyasi, gariyasi, bhaktireva gariyasi. That is what we were born for. It's the highest realization. Finally, in Sutra 82, Naradji elaborates the nuances of devotion. Divine love is one, but manifests itself in 11 different forms. Guna Mahatmya Sakti, glorification of the Lord's blessed qualities, love of that. Rupa Sakti, loving his enchanting beauty. Puja Sakti, love of worshipping him. Smarana Shakti, love of constant remembrance. Dasya Sakti, love of service to him. Sakhya Sakti, loving him as a friend. Kantya Sakti is loving him as a consort. Vatsalya Sakti, loving him as a child. Atma Nivedana Sakti, loving surrender to him. Tanmaya Sakti, loving to be absorbed by him. Parama Viraha Sakti, love of pain being separated from him. These are the 11 types of bhakti which we can elaborate in the next discourse. Govind gaiya charane gaye to गोपियाँ आँख बिछा बैठी, सुंदर श्याम के दर्श बिना तो सुंदर राधा यूं रूठी। कि गोपी बोले गोविंदा ग्वाल बोले गोपाला, एक गोपी बोले गोविंदा, ग्वाल बोले गोपाला, गोविंद गैया चराने गए तो गोपियाँ आँख बिछा बैठी, सुंदर श्याम के दर्श बिना तो सुंदर राधा यूं रूठी। एक गोपी बोले गोविंदा, ग्वाल बोले गोपाला। थैंक यू।